Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your phone. Enable app installs from unknown sources if a needed APK isn't on Play Store, but prefer Play Store versions when possible. Next, install a customizable launcher and an Apple-style icon pack so your home grid and icons change immediately. Finally, add a control center and lock screen app now so you can theme those areas in the next step. This sequence fast-tracks visible changes. Once done, make sure permissions are granted for overlays and notifications. Now focus on detailed configuration. Open your launcher settings and apply the iOS-style icon pack, then set the grid and padding to mimic Apple spacing so folders and icons align. Add an iOS-like dock and hide app labels for that cleaner look. Enable folder preview or custom folder backgrounds to match iOS behavior. Place matching widgets, clock, weather, and a search bar, and tweak font sizes and icon scaling so the whole home screen reads like an Apple theme rather than a rough imitation. Finish by theming the lock screen and control center. Apply the chosen skins, grant notification and overlay access, and align gestures so swipes feel native. Select Apple-style wallpapers and enable subtle animations and haptic feedback if available to sell the illusion. Test reboot and app updates. If icons revert or widgets disappear, clear the launcher cache, reapply the icon pack, or reinstall theme apps. If a specific widget fails, check its permissions and battery optimization settings to ensure persistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.